The arrest and charging of Colin Gray, father of Colt Gray, accused of perpetrating a school shooting, marks a significant moment in legal and societal discussions on gun control, parental responsibility, and mental health. Let us delve into the case's details, the community's reaction, and the broader implications for how society views and responds to such tragedies. The case details. Colin Gray was arrested and charged with multiple counts, including involuntary manslaughter, second-degree murder, and cruelty to children. These charges stem from his alleged negligence in securing a firearm, which was gifted to his son, Colt, and used in the shooting. The legal proceedings have both Colin and Colt appearing in court, sparking discussions on whether they would be housed in the same facility, a decision typically made for security and administrative reasons by correctional authorities. Legal and penal implications. Death penalty. While the death penalty could theoretically be on the table for murder charges, its application varies widely by jurisdiction. Given the complexities and the focus on parental negligence rather than direct participation in the crime, it remains uncertain if this penalty will be pursued or upheld. Same jail. The likelihood of Colin and Colt being in the same facility is low due to security concerns and the nature of their relationship. However, this aspect would be determined by prison authorities based on various factors including safety, legal considerations, and facility policies. Community and national reaction. Grieving families. The reaction from the families of the victims has been one of profound grief mixed with a call for justice. There's a demand for accountability, not just for the shooter, but for those who enabled the act, reflecting a broader societal shift towards holding guardians responsible. Community response. The community is divided between those advocating for stricter gun control and others focusing on mental health interventions. There's a palpable sense of fear, loss, and a desire for change to prevent future tragedies. Political and media discourse. Right-wing commentators have occasionally framed this incident within the context of transgender issues due to Colt's identity, though this narrative doesn't fully encapsulate the case's complexity. Discussions often veer towards gun rights, mental health, and the role of parents in preventing such incidents. Home life and background. Colt's home life. Reports suggest a troubled home environment, with mentions of bullying due to Colt's sexual orientation. This aspect has fueled debates over how much societal factors like bullying contribute to such acts. Advocacy and online presence. There's mention of Colt advocating for transgender rights or having writings online, though specifics are sparse. This has led to some misrepresentation of the incident as a transgender shooting by certain groups, oversimplifying a multifaceted issue. In closing, the Gray family case isn't just about legal accountability, but reflects broader societal issues: gun control, mental health, parental oversight, and the impact of bullying. While the legal system will determine Colin Gray's fate, the community's healing and the national discourse on these topics continue to evolve, seeking answers and solutions to prevent such tragedies in the future. This case underscores the need for comprehensive approaches that address not just the aftermath, but the root causes of school shootings.